In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to use Deep Reach on Perplexity AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Once we're on Perplexity AI, to activate Deep Research, we simply need to click the second button on the prompt box. This will say Research when you hover over it. As you can see, on the free plan, we are able to use this 3 times per day. Once activated, you can enter your prompt for Deep Research. To get the most out of this feature, it is important to enter a detailed prompt stating exactly what you want. For example, I'm going to type compare the top 5 electric cars released in 2025 for the UK market, include price, range, charging speed, performance, key features, and expert reviews. Summarise pros and cons for each model and provide a final recommendation for different types of drivers, e.g. commuters, family, and performance enthusiasts. Then I'm going to press enter. As you can see, it has now started generating a report. At the top, it will tell you the time remaining. Then to the right of that, we have a Notify Me button, which when enabled, Perplexity will notify you when the report has been generated. Below that, Perplexity will show you all the steps it is performing in order to generate the report, along with the sources it is using for that specific task. If we click on any of these sources, it will take you straight to the website Perplexity is getting its information from. The report has now been generated. As you can see, it has titled the report Top 5 Electric Cars for UK 2025, Comprehensive Comparison, which is what we have asked for in our prompt. It has provided a couple of different graphs which we can use to visualize the key information. Then it has gone on and listed all its findings. We're not going to go too in depth on this in this video. At the bottom of the report, we can share it, export it in a variety of different formats shown. We can also get Perplexity to rewrite the whole report if we are not happy with it. At the top, we have a variety of different tabs. So if we go to the Assets tab, it will show all the different files that were created during the creation of the report. So here we have the bar charts and the Python code that was created for this specific report. We can individually download and copy these by hovering over them, or download them all by clicking on the button in the top right. The next page is Steps. This is what we saw when Perplexity was generating the report, but we can review it here and see all the steps Perplexity went through. Moving on, the Images tab shows all the different images that were analysed and used during the creation of the report. Last but not least, the Sources tab. As expected, this shows all the different websites Perplexity got its information from. If we click on any of these, it will take you straight to the website. That's all we have for this tutorial on the Perplexity AI Deep Research feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.